This is where we're staying, or where we stayed. We're checking out now. I seem to always take a property tour when we're checking out. This is the Turtle Nest Inn. It is in Town. Road noise is a little loud. This is the office. And we're just returning some of the stuff that we played with to use, that Landon played with. They've got water here. They're not quite open yet. They've got some sunscreen and stuff here. Map of Grand Cayman. The ocean has been very seaweedy, or what's called sargassum, most of the time that we've been here. But we had a car, so there's Mango. So we toured the island quite a bit. This is the first pool. Hi, Mango. Hi there, buddy. Oh, he's got stitches in his head. Little sitting area here. They're cleaning up the sargassum this morning. Good morning. Alright, now we're going to go down to where we stayed. This is the part we stayed in here. We stayed in an ocean view, not an ocean front. Here's Fluffy. I don't think he belongs here, but he's such a good dog. Yeah, you're a good boy. Yeah. He's barking because he wants somebody to throw that coconut right there. Alright, I'll throw it for you. I'll get it. Come on. Here you go. Ready? That's what he was wanting. Oh, can you not find it, Fluffy? Oh, he got it. So cute. Right up here is our condo, but I'm just going to go around the pool real quick so we can see the pool. It was raining this morning. Everybody here was really nice. The owner was nice. We had people who stayed next to us that they own their condo, and they were really nice the whole week. Let us use some of their stuff. Good morning. It's already hot.
Yeah.
Another lizard. Okay. There's Kelly and Landon. What are you doing? Hey, Fluffy was down there. He wanted me to throw the coconut. Okay. I'll be back over there in a minute. Hey, Landon, grab that little coconut. He was down on the beach.
Come here, we'll go get some money. And then we'll throw this one.
Yeah, he was barking at it, wanting me to throw it.
Let's go get some money and we'll go down there. Come on.
Okay, this is the parking lot of the condos we stayed in. Number 10 is where we stayed. We rented a Jeep this time because Landon loves Jeeps. We really did not need a Jeep on this island. The roads are all good and flat. No potholes, really. The one island we didn't need a Jeep on, and we didn't rent one. Or, I mean, we did rent one. Usually we rent the cheapest car we can. Okay. This is our condo right here. So like I said, it was ocean view, not ocean front. The ocean fronts were a lot more expensive, so we just got the ocean view, which was great for us. We liked the privacy over here. All right, that is pretty much it for Turtle Nest Inn. Well, the outside anyway. You gonna go throw that to Fluffy?
Yeah.
Okay. You gotta throw it out in the water.
I think he wants that. No, he wants that.
Oh, trash on the ocean. Here, let's pick up this trash. We'll set it up here for now. We'll find a trash can. Okay, gonna do a quick walkthrough of the condo we stayed in. This was number 10. It is a little messy because we just checked out and having a 4-year-old here all week. But this is the kitchen. Anybody coming in behind us, we got a little bit of room left. This is the hall bath. Washer and dryer here. Again, this was the sea view or ocean view, I can't remember what, but not the ocean front. This was the deck. We had a little bit of an ocean view. TV in here. If anyone has mobility issues, these condos might be a little bit of a challenge. This was the second bedroom. The bathroom. Tub was a little worn, not warned. This was the master bedroom. Walk-in closets in here. And there was a safe in here. This was the view out here. trying to open this and do the curtain. Or trying to hold this and do the curtains. That's not very smart. But this was the view. No balcony out here, just the one up front. We'll close it just to keep the light out and keep it cooler in here for next guests. Lights out. And back down. This was 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath. I don't remember what we paid for the week, but I believe it was $1,500 with the rental car, but we upgraded our rental car to a Jeep, which again we didn't need. Island has great roads, no potholes. Okay, so that's it, and we are checking out, about to head to the airport. And